Zn is called a integer modulo means, so I given the example Z2 equal to 0 par and 1 par. This 0 par and 1 par is called a classes. So what do you mean by classes? That's a very important idea. So this 0 par first I explained, but integer modulo 2 meaning, suppose in the number 4, then what is the value of in integer modulo 2? You have divide that 4. Okay, you can divide that 4. How many times 2 into 2 4? Therefore the result is 0. Okay, this 0 is called a 0 classes. This 0 is called a 0 class. Therefore the another number 6, so it is a value here. Once again you can divide 3 times is 6, therefore 0. This 0 is also remainder. That remainder is called a classes for the integer modulo 2. Therefore the 0 classes, the elements is infinite number of elements is there. That elements is multiple of 2. In this Z2 means the multiple of 2. Suppose Z4 means the multiple of 4. ஓகேங்களா, 0 classes என்ன வருதுன்னா மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் என்ன வருதோ அதுதான். ஓகேங்களா, சப்போஸ் 4 வந்ததுன்னா Z4க்கு என்ன வரும், 0 4 8 அந்த மாதிரி போகும். இப்போ செகண்ட் கிளாஸஸ் இன்டிஜர் மாடல் 2 கிளாஸஸ்னால, so starting element you have to put that 0, then after that you want to add a multiplication of 2. Multiplication of 2 is 2 4 6 is also there. Another multiplication of 2 is countable is 8, and 10 is going on up to infinity value. So that is called a even number of integer, even integer. Okay, so next one par, how to put that one par? That is called here the remainder should be 1. Where is that element remainder should be 1? You have divided 3. So what is the element here? I will take that 3. Then 3 means you have divided by 2. How many times? 1 time is 2, therefore 2. Therefore 3 minus 2 is 1. I want put that 1. This 1 is called a remainder. Therefore that is called a classes. What is another element? You got the next element. Here 0 2 means another next element is also 3 here. So what is missing element here? 3, and here also 5, here also 7, and here also 9. So next element is 11. Okay, this number is called a 1 classes. This number 1 is called a, because remainder is 1. You can divide another element. Maybe I am taking that element 5. Therefore 5 you can divide by 2. Therefore 2 times 4. Therefore 5 minus 4 is 1. Therefore 1 is remainder. Therefore next classes 1 is element of, so first starting element 1. So next element, what is the next element? 2 means 3. Otherwise we add 2 here. 1 plus 2 3. Okay, so what is the next element? 3, not for 2. Okay, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9. This element is called a 1 classes in Z2. Okay, 1 classes in Z2. Okay, this type of problem is called a integer modulo. Okay, integer modulo part 2 in n. Okay, Zn. Then what is the element in Zn? Z2 means the elements only 0 and 1. Correct? 0 and 1, only 2 elements. 0 is also included. Then Zn means how many element is there? Total 2 elements in Z2. Therefore Zn element is also n element is there. But starting element here 0 means 1 2. So up to what is the last element? 0 is included. Therefore the last element is n minus 1. Okay, each number or each classes is contained for up to infinite number of element is there. அப்போ என்ன எலிமெண்ட் கொடுக்குறாங்களோ இது Z2னா இந்த கான்செப்ட். அப்போ ஒவ்வொரு 0 கிளாஸஸோ 1 கிளாஸஸோ இன்ஃபினிட்டி நம்பர் ஆஃப் எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்குது. அதே மாதிரி இங்கே இஜெட்டுக்கு n வாட் இஸ் வேல்யூஸ் இஸ் தேர் மீன், அப்போ அதுக்கு கரஸ்பாண்டிங்காக 0 வேல்யூ 1 வேல்யூ சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். இப்போ Z2ஓட 0 வேல்யூஸ் என்ன? ஈவன் நம்பர் ஆஃப் வேல்யூஸ். Z2ஓட 1 கிளாஸஸோட வேல்யூ என்ன? ஆட் நம்பர் ஆஃப் டிஜிட். Suppose I will taking next class as Z3. Okay, Z3, then what is element here? Want to put that 3 here. 3 minus 1 is 2. Therefore up to coming the result is 0 1 2 only. There is 0 1 2 only. Then what is the element of, what is the class element of 1, 2, 0, 1, 2? Okay, same idea. So remainder 0 is 0 classes in Z3. So what is the remainder 3? So starting element 3, here 3, 1 times 3, therefore 0. So what is the next element? Multiple of 3. Next 1 into 3, 3, 2 into 3 is 6. Therefore 6 is another element, therefore a 0. So what is the next element? 9. 3 into 3, 9. Okay. So what is the remainder? Is a 0. Similarly, we can move. Okay. Therefore, 0 class element, the starting element is 0. So next element is multiplication of 3. 3, 6, 2 into 3, 3 into 3, 9, 4 into 3, 12 is running this process. Okay. Similarly, we can find the first classes. So what is the first classes element? So I have defined the remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. So very easy idea. Already I am done this one. What is the lies between 0 and 2? 0 and 3 element is here 1 comma 2 is missing. Here also 3 4 3 6 3 6 is lies between element 4 5. Here 6 9 6 9 are lies between element 7 8. Each element lies between is 2 element is there, is correct. Therefore 10 comma 11. Okay. Then what is the remainder of 1? That is the 1 classes. The first element is called a 1 classes. The missing element in the first element is called a 1 classes. Please check that. So 1 is not divided, is no problem. Next element is 4. Therefore is divided by 3. So 1 time is 3. Therefore remainder is 1. Okay. The remainder is 1. Therefore that is called a 1 classes. So first classes. Otherwise that name is called a first classes. Therefore first classes means I want to put that first element is 1. After that easy idea, add this result is 3, 4, add this result is 3, 7, add this result is 3, 7 means 10. Okay, 10. Next 13 is going on. So what is the second classes? What is the second classes? Second classes equal to you can add that things 2, 5, 8, 11. Okay. Similarly, we can assume that what is the result here? We assume that 5. 5 means we will divide 3. Then what is the result here? 1 times 3. What is the remainder? 2. Therefore, remainder 2 is the classes of 2. Therefore, the element first static element here 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 2, 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11 is going on. Okay. This is a Z3 classes. அப்போ 0 classes என்ன ஆகுது? 2 கிளாஸஸ்க்கு வந்து இன்டிஜர் மாடலில் 2க்கு வந்து என்ன ஆகுது? எல்லாமே ஈவன் நம்பராக வருது. அதே மாதிரி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸஸ் ரிமைண்டர் 1 1 3 5 வருது. அதே மாதிரி இங்கே Z3க்கு வரும்போது இந்த வேல்யூஸ் சேஞ்ச் ஆகுது. 0 கிளாஸஸ் என்ன ஆகுது? த மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் ஆஃப் 3. அப்போ அதனோட ரிமைண்டர் 3யோட ரிமைண்டர் 1ன்னு வருதோ அதெல்லாம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸஸ். 3யோட ரிமைண்டர் வந்து 2ன்னு வருதெல்லாம் அதெல்லாம் செகண்ட் கிளாஸஸ். இட்ஸ் அ பேசிக் ஐடியா ஆஃப் த இன்டிஜர் மாடலும். சார் ஒன்லி இங்க பாசிட்டிவ் நம்பர் மட்டும் நோட் பண்ணுங்க. சப்போஸ் நெகட்டிவ் நம்பர் வந்து என்ன ரிசல்ட் வரும்? நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின். தட்ஸ் எ வெரி வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஸோ ஒன்லி பாசிட்டிவ் ரிசல்ட் மட்டும் டிபெண்ட் பண்றீங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் நெகட்டிவ் வந்து எப்படி சார் நம்ம டிபெண்ட் பண்றது அப்படிங்கிற ரொம்ப ஈஸியான ஐடியா. ஈஸியா உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ற பாருங்க. இப்போ வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த 1 இருக்குது. இந்த 1 வந்து எவ்வளவு வந்து நம்மளுக்கு இருந்தா நம்ம 3ஆல டிவைட் ஆகும். அப்ப இதுக்கு வந்து 2 வந்து ஆட் பண்ணா 3ஆல டிவைட் ஆகும். அப்ப எவ்வளவு நம்பர் மிஸ் ஆகுது? 2 நம்பர் மிஸ் ஆகுது. அப்ப மிஸ் ஆகுறது என்ன மீனிங்? மைனஸ் மீனிங். ஓகே. therefore 1 minus 3 is getting the result -2. Similarly we can divide 4. Then 4. Then what is the next number? 4 nearby number. Wait. This is 3 nearby element 3. This nearby element 6. This near number 9. This nearby number is 12. This nearby number is 15. Okay. Next number என்னவோ அதை டிவைட் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? இதுக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட் நம்பர் ஃபார்வர்ட் டைரக்ஷன் போங்க, பேக்வர்ட் டைரக்ஷன் வர வேண்டாம். ஒரு செட் இருக்குதுன்னா ஃபார்வர்ட் டைரக்ஷன் போகணும், பேக்வர்ட் டைரக்ஷன் வேண்டாம். ஓகேங்களா? அப்போ ஃபார்வர்ட் டைரக்ஷன் நெக்ஸ்ட் எலிமெண்ட் 4க்கு நியர்பை எலிமெண்ட் 6. அப்போ என்ன ஆகும்? 4 minus 6 that is equal to -2. Similarly next 7 nearby element 9. அப்போ என்னாச்சு? -2. Therefore the first classes another name is called a minus 2 classes. Minus 2 classes. Okay, similarly we can find the two classes. Second class can be put as, so easy idea. So what is the value of 2 minus 3? 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Here next value is 6. Therefore 5 minus 6 equal to minus 1. Next value is divided by 3 is 9. Therefore 8 minus 9 is minus 1. Here next element 11. 11 is 12. Therefore 11 minus 12 is minus 1. Therefore the two classes is another name is minus 1 classes. Minus 1 classes. Okay. Any doubt regarding this step?
No, sir.
Any doubt, ma? So how
No,
to
sir.
depend? Yeah, how to depend the negative modulo, that means classes, and positive classes. Therefore Z3 is another way. Z3 into another way is 0 classes common means minus 1 classes, minus 2 classes, but the element is different for this is equal to positive 2 classes, this is a positive 1 classes. Okay, therefore the both values are equal only. The both values are equal only. So okay, so idea is clear means very important. I move to the example. So prove that this is an important problem. Prove that Z pi is a Z pi comma plus pi comma plus is a abelian group. Is an abelian group. And also Z pi minus 0 element, non-zero element of multiplication. Multiplication is also abelian group. So how to prove this one? This is using the table format. This is using table format. How to value depend in Z pi? What is the Z pi value? Any idea? Z pi value? What is the starting element Z pi?
0,
Very
0,
good.
sir.
Next.
1,
1,
Super.
2,
2, 3, 4.
Yeah, that's all. Total 5 element. Counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, very good. Therefore, first using modulo 5. Next concept is modulo multiplication modulo 5. First one is additional modulo 5. So additional modulo 5 means you have to use that new notation. Using this one is called a addition modulo 5, or another notation. This is also is called a additional modulo 5 plus subscript 5. Okay, this is called a additional modulo 5. Then you have to put in column ways and row ways this corresponding element. Column ways and row ways this corresponding element. Then what is the value? First value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is also putting here also in column ways 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now what is the next step? Very easy one. Just to add this one, this one. Then what is value? 0 plus 0. Just addition, because yeah. So just addition sign. Therefore 0 plus 0. 0 is correct. Next 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1.
1, sir.
Next. So because 0 addition of okay, 0 addition of any element is same element. Therefore I want to put directly 0 plus 2 is 2, 0 plus 3 is 3, 0 plus 4 is 4. Is correct?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in the first step?
No, sir.
No,
So, okay.
No, sir.
Second step. Yeah. Second step 1 plus 0.
1,
1,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Because additional modulo pi, very important here. Additional modulo pi, more than pi or 5 means you want to change the classes. That's a very important. So 1 plus 1 is 2 is no problem. 1 plus 2.
3,
1,
4,
yeah.
5.
5 varakudadu. Okay. 3 is correct. 1 plus 3 is 4 is correct. 1 plus 4 is 5. But addition modulo pi in the classes element, in the classes 0 classes, first classes or second classes or 3 classes or 4th classes. Which one is correct? First you define the 0 classes element.
0th class, sir.
Yeah, super correct pa. Ela understand பண்ண முடியாது ஏன் 0 சொன்னானு கேஸ் சொன்ன So 0 class you got multiple of 5. You have multiple of 5. Therefore, what is element here? 0, 5, 10, multiple of 5. 10, 15, 20 is running this process. So first classes, so lies between the value. First class means 1 is first element. Then add plus 1. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 5 11. 11 plus 5 is 16 is running this process. And you want to depend the second class or third class also. Second classes, so first element 2. What is the second element? 2 plus 5. 7 plus 5. And 12 plus 5 is going on. And also third classes. Third class is also first element 3. And 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13 is running this process. And last one is fourth classes. So fourth classes element is contained by 4 is first element. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14 is going on. Okay. This is the element of 0 classes. First classes, second classes, third classes, and fourth classes. Okay. Therefore, what is the value of 1 plus 4? 1 plus 4 is 5. But pi result is contained in
0.
0.
Yeah, 0. It's a very, very important. So next calculation, same idea using this concept only. So first element 0 plus 2, 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 2, 4. What is the next
4.
element result?
0, sir.
Okay, so remaining 2 plus 3 ma 5. 5 means 0 classes. Any doubt? Regarding
sir.
this two. Okay, regarding these 2 classes, any doubt?
No, sir.
This 2 element. Okay, 2. Remaining ma?
No, sir.
No,
Okay, next. Okay. Thank you. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4, what is the result? 6.
1, sir.
Yeah, 6 means the result is belongs to 1. Therefore, I am putting here 1. Okay. What is the next result? 3 plus
3,
0 is
4.
3. Yeah, 4.
0, 1, 2.
Next. 0 plus 4.
4,
4 plus 5.
0,
1
1,
is
2.
1, 2,
0,
3.
1, 2, 3, sir.
Yes, super ma. Very good. Okay, I want this shaded because this is a direct not element is the classes element. Remaining is a direct element. This is are the class element. This is also this 3 also. Okay. This is a addition model of 5. So next we want to put that next table. What is the next table? Non-zero. Yeah, non-zero. Very important. Very important because 0 inverse does not exist. That's why here non-zero element. Non-zero element. So, okay. Next multiplication except 0 only. Except 0. Here multiplication symbol using this is a multiplication symbol, or this one is also multiplication symbol, or this circle plus also multiplication symbol. Multiplication model of 5. Okay. Therefore, I am using second one. Multiplication model of 5. So except 0 element, therefore 1, 2, 3, 4 here. And also in column is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now using direct multiplication. So already you know 1 into 1, 1. So 1 multiply any element is same element. Therefore 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 3 is 3, 1 into 4 is 4. So what is the next element? 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 3. 2 into 3.
6, sir.
2, sir.
6
1,
means?
sir. 1,
Yeah,
sir.
1. 2 into 4.
8, sir.
What is remainder?
3, sir.
Yeah, 3. So, okay. What is the next element? 3 into 1.
3, sir.
3 into 2. 3 into 6. 6 means 1.
1, sir.
Yeah. 3 into 3. 3 into 3.
4,
4,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. 3 into 4.
2,
2, sir.
sir.
Yeah, 2 is correct. Next, 4 into 1.
4, sir.
What is the next element?
3, sir. 2, sir. 1.
Yeah. Very good. Any doubt regarding this addition model of 5 and integer model of 5?
No,
This
sir.
table
No.
is no. Very good, ma. So okay, I want
Yes,
to
sir.
move to thank you, ma. I want to move to the proof. Is abelian group or not? First, I want to show that additional. First one is closure property. I want to first prove that z5 comma plus z5 comma plus is a closure property. So what is the definition of closure property? A comma b in z5. Here set is z5. Therefore, their addition modulo a comma plus a plus b is also z5 is correct or not from the above table. From the above table, first table, this all table values belongs to z5 or outside of z5 because this is additional case. This all
Z5,
condition is
sir.
set is z5 is correct. This additional case. Additional case all elements should be z5 is correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, the closure properties are satisfied. The closure properties are satisfied. Is correct? Which implies that z5 from the above table using from the when you using this one is table 1 and this one is table 2. Okay. I want using this is called a table 1. This is called a table 1 and this one is called a table 2. From the above table 1 concept, the closure property is true. From the above table concept, from the table 1, z5 comma plus satisfied closure property. Satisfied closure property. So second property is named called a associative law. Associative law. So what is associative law? You will take any 3 elements. This also in z5 for every a comma b comma c 3 elements in z5. Then the left side operator and the right side operator is also here. Addition means addition modulo pi. Okay, p plus c. This modulo pi equal to a plus that means modulo pi in plus b plus c. Okay, both values are equal. So how to show that? So a will take 3 different value. A will take that 3 different value. Okay, a b c. But if it belongs to z5 only, then z5 element already you know. But say z5 element 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 4 elements is there. Therefore, I will take that a is maybe 2, and b is take that 4, and c is will take that maybe 1. Then what is the result of left side and what is the result of right side? 2 means here I want to using 2 plus modulo pi, b value 4, addition modulo pi 1. This is called a left side, and I am also using right hand side. What is a value 2 plus that means addition modulo pi, b value 4, and what is the c value? C value is 1. Addition modulo 1. Now easily add 4 plus 1. What is a 4
7
plus?
equal to 7, sir. Equal, sir.
Wait. 4 plus 1 result?
5.
5. But addition modulo result? 5 means what is addition modulo result?
0.
Yeah, you want using that from left side is 0. 2 plus 0. So also using right hand side. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 result?
1, sir.
Okay, 6. That 6 result is 1. Here also addition modulo 5, 1. Now 2 plus 0?
2, sir.
1 plus 1?
2, sir.
Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, their operator is also satisfied the associative law. What is operator? Z5 comma plus is associate. So next one, inverse is exit or not. Third property. What is the inverse element? That's a very important. Sorry, identity. First of all, find the identity. After that, moving the inverse element. Next identity element is exit or not from that table. So I moving from the table 1. We want to find that identity element. What is the definition of identity element? The definition of identity element: A dot E.
A dot E.
That means
E
star
dot A
here.
equal to A.
Yeah, E star A equal to A only. அப்போ எந்த எலிமெண்ட்டோட இ மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணாலும் அடிஷனல், தட் மீன்ஸ் எந்த ஆப்ரேட்டர் யூஸ் பண்ணாலும் சேம் எலிமெண்ட்டாக வரணும். ஓகேங்களா? ப்ளீஸ் செக் தட். ஓகே, திஸ் அ ஜீரோ எலிமெண்ட், திஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட், திஸ் அ செகண்ட். ஓகே, then what is the element here? 0 plus 0 is 0.
0.
Okay, next 1 எங்க வருது? 1 is square. 1 is square. So 2 also here, and 3 is also here, 4 is also here. ஓகேங்களா? அப்போ எந்த எலிமெண்டோட ஆட் பண்ணா சேம் எலிமெண்ட் வருது? So add 0, the corresponding element is getting 1 only. Okay, அப்போ 1 plus 0 1, 2 plus 0 2, 3 plus 3 3, 4 plus 4 4. Therefore the identity element should be the, what is identity element value?
0, sir.
Therefore E value is 0. Therefore E equal to 0. E equal to 0 in Z5 is an identity element. Is an identity element. Is an identity element from the above table. Okay, from table 1. From table
1.
1. So what is the next one? Inverse law. What is the formula of inverse law?
A dot A inverse equal to A inverse dot A equal to E.
Then using previous table. அப்போ E எங்க வருது? E ஓட வேல்யூ என்ன? 0. Is correct? What is the E value? 0. அப்போ டேபிளுக்கு போங்க. Where is 0? The corresponding addition table. Where is 0? You have find that. Where is 0? 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay, the inverse of 0 is 0. Where is 1? So 1 corresponding row எங்க 0 இருக்குது? அப்போ the inverse of 1. The inverse of 1 is 4. The inverse of 1 is 4. So next, in 2 row, second row where is 0?
Inverse of 3, sir.
Yeah, 2 is a inverse of 3, and 3 is a inverse of 2, and 4 is a inverse of 1. Now you can write from the above table. From above table, that means above table 1. Table 1. You can write inverse of 0 is, okay, inverse of 0 is 0. Inverse of 1 is, what is inverse of 1? Huh? Inverse of 1 என்னமா? What is inverse of 1?
4, sir. 4, sir. 4, sir.
Yeah. Therefore inverse of 1 is 4. Inverse of 2?
3.
3, sir.
Inverse of 3, yeah. Inverse of 3 is 2.
2.
And
4 is 1, sir.
yeah, inverse of 1 is 4. That's all. So next you got to abelian proof. Then what is the definition of abelian proof? That means commutative law.
Commutative law, sir.
Yeah, commutative law. Then what is the commutative law? First of all, write the
A
statement.
into B equal to B into A.
Yeah, for every A comma B is belongs to Z pi, A star B equal to B star A. It's a very easy idea. Z pi element already know 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore you can write A value and B value. A will take any value, and B is also taking place between this 5 values. I will take in that maybe 4. Therefore apply here 3 star here addition modulo 5, 4 equal to B value 4 plus addition modulo 5, 3. Okay, then 3 plus 4, 7. 7 means remainder 2. Here 4 plus 3,
7.
4. Yeah, 7 means remainder is 2. Therefore LHS side equal to RHS side. Therefore our commutative law is satisfied. Our commutative law is satisfied. Commutative law is satisfied, which implies that all 5 laws is satisfied, means Z5
Abelian
comma
group.
is a abelian group. That's so any doubt regarding this idea?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Similarly, we can find the Z5 minus 0. This is a common concept already done from the table. Using second table, we got to show that Z5 comma pi minus 0 non-zero elements is addition, that we are multiplication. Multiplication is abelian group. This is a common concept. This is a common concept. Selama.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, I move to the next concept. Very easy idea. Generator. Okay, generator means suppose I have put that example. What is the element here? 0, 2, 4, okay, 6 is going on running this process. So suppose I will take the element. Okay, I will take the 2. 2 is a generator means. Suppose using addition concept, starting element is 0 and 2. We add all values 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 means is getting this result. Otherwise, we move to the another one concept, cubic root of 1 or fourth root of 1. That's a very important idea for cyclic group and or generating of the group. So, any idea what is the cubic root of 1? Cubic root of 1 or
1, sir.
hey?
Cubic root, sir.
Root of 1. So G maybe will take that cubic root of 1. 1 is a 1 result. What is the remaining? In a power 3 in a result or a fundamental theorem of algebra, power 3 means 3 result is there. So 1 result is 1. What is the remaining result?
1 sir. Root 1 root பண்ணோம்னா 1 தான் சார் வரும்.
ஆமாடா. அப்ப remaining 3 result என்னமா? What is the 3 remaining? It is remaining 2 result. Any idea? So already studied in complex number system +2 standard. Any idea, ma? What is the formula of a cube minus b cube? What is the formula of a cube minus b cube? What is the formula of a cube minus b cube?
A cube minus b cube. 3ab.
Any idea? What is the formula of a cube minus b cube? Guess on so நம்ம சொல்லிக்கிறப்ப பாதி நீங்க யாராச்சும் ட்ரை பண்ண முடியுமா?
a cube plus b cube is equal to 3ab plus bq, sir.
Okay. Remaining person ma? So okay, a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. Similarly, what is the formula of a cube plus b cube formula? What is the formula of this one? Using same process. What is the formula of this one?
Cube plus b cube.
A plus b, sir.
A plus b.
A square plus ab plus b square. Minus.
That's this is a very important formula. Already studied this type of formula in 10th standard. Please recall this formula and simplify this result. Then what is the result here? A minus b. So what is a value here? This is a value. Using this one is a value and this one is a b value. Therefore a minus b. So what is the next result? A squared plus ab plus b square. Then apply here. What is the a value? What is the a value? X plus ab. X into 1 is x. Here x square. X into 1 is x plus b square. B square value 1. 1 square is 1 only. Equal to 0. So any doubt up to this step?
No, sir.
I move to the next one.
No, sir.
So okay, I move to the next one, which implies that it's a multiplication. Separately, you want to put that 0. X squared plus x plus 1 equal to 0. because multiplication I want to put that separately equal to 0, which implies that here x equal to 1 is true. So what is the next result? How to find or how to solve this result? So using tree diagram is possible. Suppose the tree diagram is not possible, means directly using that quadratic equation, solving the quadratic equation formula. So what is the formula? Minus b plus or minus
Root
b
of
squared.
b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a.
Yeah. Now what is the a value? So the corresponding result x squared coefficient value 1 is called a value. But this corresponding result, this one is called a b value. The last constant term is called a c value. Now apply and simplify. Therefore, x equal to b, all values 1, 1, 1 only. Therefore, minus 1 plus or minus root of b squared. 1 squared is 1 minus 4 into 1 into 1. Okay, 1 into 1 divided by 2 into 1. Divided by 2 into 1. That is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus 4 divided by 2 into 1 is 2. That is equal to, what is the result? End of result. Minus 1
Minus 1
plus or
plus
minus
root 3 by 2.
minus 3.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, minus 3 means square root of minus 3. Already you know idea. Square root of negative value.
1.732.
Hey, negative. Square root of negative.
So I plus
Therefore, minus 1 plus or minus I root 3 divided by 2. Is correct? Doubt irukudha? This is a complex number system. Square root of minus 1 equal to square root of I squared, that is equal to I. This is a basic formula already studied in the lower class. Square root of minus 1. Suppose minus 3 is there, means my I squared into 3, therefore I into 3, that means 3I. Sorry, here root is there, therefore root 3I. Root 3I. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
Therefore,
No, sir.
here, yeah, thank you, ma. Here 2 root is there. So 1 root is x equal to minus 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2. So another root is x equal to minus 1 minus root 3 I is there, I overall divided by 2. Okay. Therefore, what is the result of cube root of 1? What is the cube root of 1? So first result is 1. Second result you will take that this one notation in the mathematical format omega. Okay, this is a notation is called a omega squared. Therefore, the cube root of 1 is called a 1 comma omega squared, where omega and omega squared values these two numbers. Up to this one, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Super, very good. Suppose their multiplication is there. Suppose the values are involving omega cube. So what is the value of omega cube? Because omega value is this one and omega squared value is this one. Then how to calculate omega cube? How to calculate? Normal multiplication. A cube how to value? How to find? A squared into A. Is correct? A cube can be written as A squared into A. Omega cube can be written as?
Omega square
Omega
into
square
omega.
into omega.
Yeah, super, very good. Then what is omega squared value?
Minus 1 minus I root 3 divided by 2.
Into omega value. Into omega value. Into
Minus
omega.
Plus I root 3 divided by 2.
Then how to simplify? How to simplify? So this divide is no problem. 2 into 2 is 4. We'll take outside 1 by 4. Now what is the value? Minus 1.
A square minus.
Yeah, super. Very good. Minus I root 3 into minus 1 plus I root 3. Then what is the formula, ma? 1 by 4 into very good formula, ma. This is called a and this is called a B. This is called a, this is called a B. Therefore, A minus B into A plus B. That formula is called a squared minus B squared. Now apply, what is the A value here? What is A value is here? And what is the B value is here? Therefore, minus 1 whole square minus I root 3 whole square. That is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 squared ma?
1, sir.
1, sir.
I squared value? Because whole squared. I root 3 whole squared. Therefore, I squared
minus
value?
1
Minus minus
Plus.
plus
root 3 squared?
3, sir.
3.
Root 3, yeah, super. Root 3 square equal to 3. Therefore, 3 here. Therefore, 1 plus 3?
4, sir.
4, sir.
Therefore, 4 by 4?
1.
Yeah. Therefore, what is the result of here? Omega cube result is 1. Omega cube result is 1. Now, we want to prove that G comma dot is abelian group or not, where G is called a cubic root of 1. Cubic root of 1 is possible. Is abelian group. So using same table, here multiplication 1 omega square, here also 1 omega square, 1 into 1, so 1 into omega and 1 into omega square. Okay, so now we want to calculation omega into 1 omega into omega square, sorry, omega into omega square, omega into omega square, omega into omega square,
Omega cube, sir.
omega cube value. Just to prove
1,
this. Yeah. 1. Next, omega squared into omega. Sorry, omega squared into 1 is omega squared. Omega squared into omega. Omega. 1. Omega squared into omega squared. Omega power 4. Omega power 4 can be written as omega cube into omega. Therefore, omega cube is 1. 1 into omega. 1 into omega is omega. Now we want to put that omega. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, ma. Thank you. So using this condition, this table all values belongs to G, because G value is 1 omega square. Therefore, the calculation of this table value is belongs to G is possible or not possible?
Possible, sir.
Therefore, first property, closure property is satisfied. Second property, association law is no problem is satisfied. Third property, identity law. What is identity element? Multiplication identity, not for addition. Multiplication identity element
Equal to 1, sir.
Yeah, A dot E equal to E dot A equal to A only. அப்ப எது மல்டிப்ளை பண்ண வருது? 1 into 1 1 omega into 1 omega squared into 1 omega squared. Therefore, E value is 1. Okay, E value is 1. So fourth one, inverse law. What is the definition of inverse law? A dot A inverse.
Yes.
Yeah, equal to E. Where is come this result? We want to find that. So multiplication of 1 is 1. Omega into omega squared, that result is 1. Omega squared into omega, that result is 1. That means the inverse of 1 is 1. The inverse of omega is?
Omega squared, sir.
The omega squared inverse?
1 omega, sir.
Yeah, that's all. Therefore, write here inverse of 1 is 1. Inverse of omega is omega squared, and the inverse of omega squared is omega. Any doubt up to this step?
No, sir.
Therefore, 4 properties satisfied. Therefore, this is a group. Next, abelian group. From the above table, easy to prove. Yeah, commutative law easy to prove. Omega to omega squared value 1. Same omega squared into omega values is also 1. Correct?
Yes,
omega into omega squared value 1. Omega squared into omega values is also 1. Therefore, the commutative law satisfied from the above table. Therefore, all 5 properties are satisfied. Therefore, G is called a G comma dot. G comma multiplication. G comma dot is called a
abelian group.
Okay, ma. Is called a abelian group. So, any doubt regarding this problem?
No, sir.
Super, ma. Next, I given the one more homework. I done this class. Tomorrow class, I want to explain that generator. In the 2 example, which is generator, வந்து நான் எப்படி explain பண்றேன்னு நான் சொல்றேன். So next, G is called a fourth root of 1. Fourth root of 1. Therefore, G comma dot is abelian group. Prove that G comma dot is abelian group. So what is the value of fourth root of 1? Any idea? What is the value of
Sir,
fourth
1
root?
comma omega squared comma
Die,
omega.
die. அது வந்து cubic root மட்டும் தான். Fourth rootக்கு சேம் ப்ராசஸ்ரா. நான் ஒரு ஃபார்மேட் சொல்லிக்கிறேன் பாரு. இந்த ஃபார்மேட் நான் வச்சுன்னா ஈஸியா ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணிடலாம். Where is the format? Yeah, this is the format x cube minus 1 cube. அப்போ fourth root இங்க என்ன வரும்? Fourth rootனா
X power 4 minus X power 4. 1 minus 4. 1 power 4.
minus 1 power 4. அப்போ அதை வச்சு அனலைஸ் பண்ணி என்னென்ன ரூட் வரும்னு சொல்லிட்டு நீங்களே பண்ணுங்க. நான் பண்றது ஒன்றும் இல்லை, நீங்க பண்ணுங்க, உங்களுக்கு ஆன்சர் கிடைக்கும். ஓகே. So any doubt regarding today classes?